Hey guys, it's Audrey. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a nude bikini haul. Yes, you heard me, a nude bikini haul. So my friend recently launched his brand Nude, and they sell bikinis. They also sell t-shirts and some guy clothes too. So earlier this year, before the brand actually launched, he sent me a few bikinis. So now that the brand officially launched, they sent me this package with more swimsuits. So I'm gonna be doing some unboxing, reviewing, and trying on the bikinis for you guys. Ooh, oh, there's a note. Audrey, excited to have you in the nude team and thank you for supporting since day one. You rock the fuck out of the bikinis and I'm glad you're on board. Let me know if you need anything. Aw, thank you. That is so sweet. So now let's unwrap this. Oh my god, there's clothes too? Wait. This is so cute. Oh my god. Oh, and then there's like a t-shirt too. I can wear this to the gym. Wait, I love this. Oh my god, okay. I'm taking this off and putting the ice cream shirt on. Okay, I'm obsessed with this shirt. So now we also have this pink bikini, a black bikini, a red bikini. Ooh. There was only supposed to be 3 in here, but there's 4, and there's a note that says, it was only right that we thank you for going fully nude with some extra nudity. That's why we included this extra bikini that we aren't even launching yet. Oh my god, wait, so there's an extra bikini in here. So that's it for the unboxing, and now let's get into the bikini review. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the new bikinis first. First, we have this black one, and I love this one so much because look at the inside. It's not reversible, but it's always fun to have stuff like this on the inside. It just says nude all over it. This one ties in the back, and it kind of has this like crisscross effect going on when you wear it. And then it's pretty low cut in the front, so you can show off a lot of cleavage with this one. These are the bottoms. They're cheeky. You know, I love my cheeky bikinis, and they also have the print on the inside that says nude. Another thing I really like about this one is that the sides, it has these 2 straps. So overall, this is just a very flattering bikini, and just like everyone needs just like a classic black bikini. Next bikini is this light pink color. It's just like a classic triangle cut bikini. It has adjustable straps, and you can also clip it in the back. These are the bottoms. They have kind of a high-waisted look to them. You can pull these straps above your hips, and it just looks very nice and flattering, and you can show off a lot of your leg. This is the back. It also says nude right here on most of the suits. So that's really cute. So this one is cheeky and it looks really great on. Red one. Again, it has a fun print on the inside. Like, this is so adorable. I'm obsessed with it. And then it has 3 thin straps on the sides. It looks like the back has more coverage than the other ones I just showed you, but that's always good to have a bikini that covers more of your bum, just because if you're going to the beach with like a family or there's gonna be lots of little kids around, it's definitely better to cover up a little bit more. And then this is the top, it also has the thin straps that crisscross in the front. It has adjustable straps, and then it clips in the back. So I'm super excited to wear this. As you know, red is my favorite color, so I always love a good red bikini, and these straps are so cute. And then this is the extra bikini that they gave me. It's bandeau style, so it just goes straight across the front. So this one is neon yellow, and I already have it in the neon green color. You've probably seen my Instagram photos in this already. It kind of went viral, and Instagram tried to delete it like 5 times. So maybe I'll insert that right there. And then these are the bottoms. They're pretty cheeky. And again with this one, it's designed so you can wear these straps above the hips and show off more of your leg. So this is the same bikini, but in the green color. It kind of looks like the same color with the lighting, but I swear in person, like this one is more green and the other one is more yellow. And then here's the top. This one also has this fun blue print on the inside. And there looks like there's just like girls in it. Let me just put this up close. That's really cool. I love how all of these suits have like cool prints on the inside. This one is also a bandeau, but it has this tie in the front so you can show off some more cleavage. It's very flattering. I love this color too. It's like a turquoise teal color. I'm really liking it. And these are the bottoms. They're very cheeky, as you can tell, and they look great on. And I like how the straps on this one are really thin. So if you don't want major tan lines, definitely wear a suit like this. Last one that I have, the bottoms are kind of the same style as the last one, but there is a little bit more coverage on them. And again, I love that they have the thin straps on the sides. It's good for tanning. And they have another fun print on the inside of this one. It's bananas. Even though it's not reversible, it's just like cool to know that there's a fun design inside your swimsuit. So this is the top. It's kind of like square shape, has the cool print on the inside, and then you can clip it in the back. So overall, I really like this one, especially the shape of it. It's really cool and it's like different from any other bikini top that I own. So those are all of the bikinis that I have from Nood. Thank you so much for sending me these bikinis. I am obsessed with all of them. They're all so colorful and fun, and I love that most of them have the cool designs on the inside of the fabric. So definitely check out Nood. I'll put the website link in the description. And even if you're a guy and you're watching this, you should still check out Nood's website because they do sell guy clothes too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn on my notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.